Hi, I'm Julian. I'm here to talk to you about the PNP's plans to grow the economy and create a better Jamaica for all of you. And my plan is called the 4E plan. 1. Education. We're going to reform the education system so that every single child who leaves primary school is literate and numerate. We're going to introduce a plan so that every needy student gets 1 meal per day. Our second pillar is energy. The cost of energy is too high. We're going to bring down the cost of energy so that businesses can compete more effectively, and we're going to reduce your light bill. We're going to reform the JPS license to make it more competitive and allow you more options to implement your own solar systems. Our third pillar is efficiency. We're going to make government more efficient so that we can spend the capital budget on schools, hospitals, roads. And we're also going to provide incentives for businesses. We're going to have a 3-year waiver of corporate income tax for MSMEs. We're also going to give businesses an incentive to upskill their own employees by having a matching grant for them. And our fourth pillar is emerging economies, the creative industries, those persons who create content, the musicians, the artists. We are going to establish a $1 billion fund to support their businesses. The PNP has a plan to grow the economy. Join us, listen to us as we make Jamaica a better place for you and your children.